I'm Elena, a local living in Korea. Want to see the real side of life here? And what's going on with the stock market? Let's go. What if I told you that one of the world's most overlooked stock markets just woke up? And not just a yawn and stretch kind of wake up. I'm talking about rocket fuel, coffee on an empty stomach kind of wake up. Yes, we're talking about the Korean stock market. And spoiler alert, things are heating up. Korea's main stock index, the KOSPI, just surged past 2,900 points. That's the first time in 3 years and 5 months. Since June 2nd, it's been on a 6-day win streak. Basically, it's been running faster than a Solite catching the last subway. But wait, what is KOSPI anyway? KOSPI stands for the Korea Composite Stock Price Index. It's kinda like Korea's S&P 500. Big, serious companies like Samsung, Hyundai, and LG live here. If Korea Inc. were a house, KOSPI would be the foundation. But KOSPI isn't alone. Say hello to KOSDAQ. KOSDAQ is Korea's tech-savvy, fast-moving little sibling. It's where you'll find startups, biotech firms, and innovation-packed companies. Think of KOSPI as the older sibling working at a big firm. KOSDAQ is the younger one doing a startup in Gangnam with big dreams and bubble tea in hand. On June 3rd, Korea elected a new president, Lee Jae-myung. And let's just say, he's not here to play small. He promised to take the KOSPI to 5,000 points. Yes, 5,000. That's not a goal. That's a mic drop. And investors heard it loud and clear. The market started reacting right away. One of the biggest drivers behind the excitement is corporate reform. And that starts with revising Korea's Commercial Act. For years, chaebols were run like family empires. Sometimes it felt like watching a K-drama, but with billions on the line. The new government wants shareholder-friendly governance. This includes independent boards and stronger minority protections. Also more power for shareholders in dividends and leadership decisions. It's not just about laws, it's also about money. Expect lower interest rates and more stimulus. More money in the market means more excitement. It's like a quiet cafe suddenly turning into a BTS concert. Korean stocks have been undervalued for years, but now the game is changing. Foreign and local investors are paying attention. Even my uncle is asking about Samsung stock. So yes, this may be Korea's moment. I'm not saying bet everything on the next Korean unicorn, but maybe it's time to stop sleeping on Korean stocks. If you're curious about life and useful info from Korea, make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next one.